In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix explorer.exe high memory and CPU usage on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing you can do is to just restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Restart your Windows, that will refresh everything. System processes, system programs on your Windows. So try restart. Then the next thing that we can do is to right click at the start button and then go to task manager, maximize it. In the search bar, simply type Explorer. You will find Windows Explorer. Simply make a right click and then select restart. Okay, restart the Windows Explorer. Then the next thing that we can do is to perform an SFC scan to scan for and fix any system corrupted files. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Click on Yes. Then simply type SFC space forward slash scanow. SFC space forward slash scanow. Scanow, just one word and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. If this is not yet completed, do not close the window. On 100% completed, type exit and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And the last thing that we can do is to perform a disk cleanup. So right click at the start button, select run, type clean mgr, hit enter or click OK. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Now in this files to delete, just simply select all of the options one by one and then click on OK and click on delete files. After doing so, just also do not forget to restart. So right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.